Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've just sneezed, so like, you know when your voice does that weird thing after you sneeze? Yeah, that's happened. But today I thought I would film a what I eat in a day video because you guys seem to really like these and I really like filming these. I haven't even brushed my hair yet, so that's a good start. But this morning I had a cup of tea when I woke up, but I couldn't be bothered to walk to the other side of my bedroom to get my camera, so I didn't film that. But yeah, I've had a cup of tea and now I'm gonna go and have breakfast. So let's head downstairs and get some cereal. I'm feeling cereal this morning. I've been a cereal person lately, which is very unlike me. I'm usually not a breakfast person at all. If I am a breakfast person, then it's a bacon sandwich or a toasted sausage sandwich, but at the minute cereal has been floating my boat. So let's go and see what cereal I decide upon today. This will do. This is actually my favourite cereal right now. Please excuse the wine and the cake in the background. But yeah, this is what I'm having. It is this Jordans Country Crisp with crunchy, chunky nuts. I really like this because I love nuts and this has a lot of them in. It's got, what type of nuts has this got in it? I don't even know. This is what it says on the back. I thought that said non-gym, then I was like, me. We've got in here sliced almonds, roasted hazelnuts, pecan nuts, and chopped Brazil nuts. And the best part, they stay crunchy to the last bite. They actually do. That's why I like this cereal. I never know how much to put in the bowl. I always judge it wrong, so let's see what we have today. I think maybe like that much. That's definitely too much. It doesn't really look like a lot because it's like grainy and stuff, but when you put the milk in, it all seems to like fluff up and then suddenly you've got like a mountain of cereal. This is my milk. Semi-skimmed, the green one. Probably the most boring sentence that's ever come out of my mouth on this channel. Do you see what I mean? Like suddenly it's quite a lot. Ta-da! First meal of the day complete. I've retreated back to my bedroom to finish my makeup. Right, it's a little bit later now. I've just filmed a video, hence why my hair's looking a bit more done and I generally look a bit more human. So yeah, just filmed a video and now it's lunchtime. I'm not that hungry because I way overestimated the cereal situation this morning, but to no surprise I managed to eat most of it. So now I'm not like starving for lunch, but any opportunity I get I'll eat. So I'm gonna go and make some pasta, I think, like a pasta salad, because my mum often cooks like a whole bunch of pasta in the morning because my dad works shifts quite a lot. He's not here like for the afternoon and evening, so quite a lot of the time he'll take a bowl of pasta with like different things in it to work or whatever, or he'll have it for lunch before he goes to work. So my mum just makes like a lot of pasta in the morning. That probably sounds so random, so I'm gonna go and get some pasta and put some things in it. I'm not too sure what yet. I'm just see what like vegetables and stuff we've got, and that's gonna be my lunch for today, so I'll be sure to take you along with me and show you. How has my hair gone flat in the time that I've just cut up some vegetables? Honestly, welcome to my life. But anyway, I've got my lunch now. This is what it looks like. So obviously, got pasta. And then the vegetables that are in here are cucumber, spring onions, red peppers and yellow peppers. And then I've cut up some pepperoni just to go with it. I was going to have chorizo, but we didn't have any left, so I opted for that instead. But when my mum cooks pasta, she actually like puts it in olive oil. You know how it's shiny? You see it shining? That's olive oil on it. So I don't know if I'll need any sauce or not. I've bought some salad cream in to potentially add to it in case it's a little bit dry, but I think the olive oil will be fine. Olive oil is really good for you actually, so that's why my mum puts it over the pasta. So yeah, this is my lunch. Fairly healthy, like not the best in the world, but at least I've got some vegetables in there. And I've also got a glass of orange juice, which I have most of the time with my lunch actually, just because it's my favourite drink. Not because it's healthy or because like it's good for me or anything, just because I really like orange juice. And that's that. That's me. Stay humble. Just a bit of light entertainment while we eat our lunch. I've just remembered that this video is a thing today and I've just finished a cup of tea. I mean, I could have filmed it, but it just looked like every other cup of tea you've ever seen in your life. So this is what I'm having for dinner tonight. We've got cottage pie, a homemade one. Is this cabbage?
Yes.
Curly looking cabbage. Why is it like frilly?
It's a different type of cabbage.
Oh, well, cabbage and carrots, and then we've got gravy to come as well. So that's my dinner for tonight. It's now a lot later and I'm just about to have this yogurt. These are something I discovered recently. Oreo cookie pieces and strawberry yogurt. They are so yummy. I'm just a little bit peckish, so I'm going to have one of them. And then I think a little bit later, me and my mum are going to have hot chocolates. But this is my midnight that's not midnight snack. This hot chocolate's so hot that it's just like steamed up my camera lens. But quite often we'll have a hot chocolate of an evening because it really helps me sleep more than anything else. So guys, that is everything that I ate today. I realised upon editing this video, there is a very limited amount of snacks. I've been thinking about it and I'm not sure why. I think it's probably because I had such a big bowl of cereal in the morning, then I had a huge bowl of pasta at lunchtime, so I didn't really like snack between my meals, but usually I do. I am like a snacking queen, but I guess that's just how my day went. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below if you want me to do more of these videos. I really like making them. You guys seem to enjoy watching them, so let me know. Do subscribe to see my future videos and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!